In this modern era, becoming rich isn't about working harder, it's about playing the right game. Most people are still chasing money like it's 1990, clocking in, clocking out, hoping their savings will magically grow. Meanwhile, the new rich, they're printing money with modern tools and smart leverage. So if you're still thinking the old way, you've already lost. Let's break down how to actually become rich in this era, the help of modern technology, by grabbing attention-driven, opportunity-overloaded world we live in. First, rich people think different. They don't see money as cash, they see it as control. Every dollar they earn buys them freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of choice, freedom from stress. That's why they move differently, because control is the new currency. Meanwhile, broke people trade hours for dollars and call it security. But in today's world, security doesn't exist. Adaptability does. If you can learn fast, pivot fast, and use information better than others, you win. That's why the richest people today aren't just workers, they're thinkers, creators, investors. Second, the internet is the biggest wealth transfer in history. You can build a business, a brand, or a skill right from your phone. And yet, most people are still scrolling instead of selling. If you're not using social media to make money, someone else is making money off you. The new rich use the internet like a machine. Digital products, affiliate marketing, AI tools, online consulting, they create leverage because money loves speed, and the internet is speed multiplied. Third, build skills that print. Forget degrees. Learn how to sell, how to communicate, how to market, how to think. AI is replacing jobs, but it's not replacing creativity, persuasion, or leadership. The person who can combine those three, that's the next millionaire. In 2025, skills are the new assets. The faster you learn, the richer you get. And last, control your emotions. Because in every market, every business, every opportunity, emotions make people broke. Rich people stay calm when everyone else panics. They see fear as a signal, not a stop sign. They play the long game while everyone else chases dopamine hits. So here's the truth. You can't get rich thinking like the past. You get rich by adapting to the now. If you're serious about building wealth in this modern world, hit that subscribe button, because every video here is built to make you think, act, and earn like the new rich. Your time is now. Don't scroll past your freedom. If something didn't click, rewatch this video. It'll make sense the second time. And hit subscribe. But only if you're serious about becoming financially free. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm pinning the best one.